So like I said, the MRI can be very sensitive in showing you what might be wrong. It's not going to show you in those pictures what is specifically actually generating your pain. And I'm here to tell you, it should not be used as the gold standard. It should not be used as the #1 standard to diagnose what's going on with us. And it elevates this other leg up, and the majority of that work is happening from that gluteus medius muscle there. It's a flexibility thing. It's either restricted or it's obstructed. We get really lazy. We start to lose this glute muscle less and less, and we start to overwork that hamstring muscle. Very important muscle, and this is the muscle that we're talking about. It's our transverse abdominis muscle, or TA for short. My quads, my glutes, and my calf muscle are already past their peak performance, and the majority of the work is actually happening on this other side. Have an equal amount of weight getting distributed through the front and through the back of the small hop forward and load up on both your feet like you're going to jump up as high as you can. My hips are displacing backwards as I'm leaning forward, popping something back into place. And I'm going to tell you right now, that's not what's happening at all. And start investing in the future of our health.